Hi, this is Rajkumar Pritam Jasina here. I am 31 years old. I am from Agartala, Tripura, and I am an graduate. I have completed my matriculation examination from Sri Krishna Mission School and my 12 from Shishubir Higher Secondary School. Then I have completed my graduation with English from MBB College, and then I have moved forward in the educational field. I have been working for the last 8 years in different educational fields. I started off my career as an English speaker where I used to teach small kids English, and from there I moved on to the George Telegraph Training Institute, a company that is linked up with Skill India, where we have given spoken English classes for girl child on WinGC projects. After that I have moved forward and I worked as an English faculty for different institutions, and then I moved to Assam. In Assam I have been working in CBSE school as a vice principal academic, looking after the whole academic thing, and I worked there for 3 years unless and until my father got very ill. He was diagnosed with cancer and I had to move forward. So after that, due to coronavirus, we didn't work out, the schools were all shut down. Then now I got an offer to move forward to Rajasthan from Agartala in a school, Tirupati English Medium Higher Secondary School, and there also as a principal. I have completed CEFR level British English. My score is C1, and that is like the score of a native speaker in IELTS. I have been teaching online education for Skill India, Parega Bharat, and Monster.com for last 2 years. I have been working as a subject matter expertise in Parega Bharat, and I would like to avail the opportunity here to also introduce with me one specialty that I have acquired is that I have been training the callers, the telecallers of sales for different institutions like the Stanford in Bangalore. I've been working there. Thank you. Have a nice day. Namaskar.